Hi friends, how can you create this neon halo effect in Photoshop? First, make sure you have a black background. Go to File, Place Embedded. Insert your image and press OK. Go to Select Subject. Press Ctrl+J to create a copy. Turn off the original layer. Select the copied layer and press Ctrl+T to adjust the size. Go to Select Subject again. Create a layer mask. Now go to Adjustment Layer Curves. Adjust the curve settings as shown in the video. Go to Adjustment Layer Black and White. Press OK. Again, go to Adjustment Layer Gradient Map. Open the Gradient Editor. Choose your desired neon colors. If you don't find the color you want, create your own gradient. First color point, middle color point, third color point. You can note the color codes if needed. Set the last color to white. Press OK. Now select the Shape tool, Ellipse tool. Before drawing, make sure. Fill, none. Stroke, white. Set stroke values. Stroke size around 10.2 pt. Draw the ellipse shape. Adjust its size and position. Go to Blending Options, Outer Glow. Apply these settings. Blend mode, linear dodge. Opacity, 100%. Color, pink, neon color. Contour, straight. Spread, 6, 8. Size, around 224. Press OK. Now add a layer mask to the ellipse layer. Use the Move tool. Adjust the ring so it appears only on the upper part of the head. Fine-tune the position until it looks natural. And that's it. This is how you can create a neon halo effect in Photoshop.